What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. In today's video we got the Lamborghini and we're going to get a full paint correction and ceramic coating done. Own this car now a little over a year and a half, put over 5,000 miles on it already, and it is time to get this thing in more tip-top shape. So I'm here at Shinka Detailing. I've actually known the owners of the shop for many years and it's been super cool to see them go from their first location, which is in Indian Trail. I'll have that one linked down below. 4 or 5 years later, now they have one here in Mooresville, North Carolina. So awesome to see them growing. So with that said, let me walk you guys around the car a little bit. Obviously you guys have seen this car on the channel, so you know a little bit of the history. So obviously all of this is original paint, and you can see we got a little bit of like surface scratches, minor imperfections, things like that. And then when I first bought it, of course, had a little mishap, and we have some brand new paint over on this side, which has been done very well. Obviously the painters who did this did a phenomenal job. However, like anything, there are gonna be some imperfections, a little bit of some buffer marks, things like that. And then we have some water spots underneath the wing here. The original wing was on for 10 years and you're obviously not really gonna be able to dry this. So we have a couple defects there and then a little bit of a scuff here and here. So we're here with Jean. He's gonna give us a little bit of walkthrough. So the car's over a decade old. We have some brand new paint on it. A couple defects I've already kind of walked you around.
This car is gonna right now receive a paint correction. So with that, we want to always find the least aggressive method that will get the best results. So, we'll basically, because anytime you're polishing out paintwork, you're leveling out the clear coat. So you don't want to necessarily, especially with an older vehicle, throw a rotary at it and start cutting, because then they're going to leave you without clear coats. Half of the car, like the side, has some body work in terms of like new paint.
Right.
So it's going to be a little bit different how we tackle that compared to the original side. It's really an art, but we love it here, and we'll definitely find the best mix of like solutions to like just get the nicest finish out there. So we're going to tackle swirl marks today. We're going to tackle hazy spots like what you saw in the other area. We're going to tackle isolated scratches, and then once we do that, we're going to add some protection in the form of Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra, which is Gtechniq's highest end coating. Nice. It's going to give it a nice gloss, and it's going to protect it from like environmental contaminants and things like that. So super excited to tackle. We'll go over that in a little bit, and yeah, we'll go from there. It's exciting.
So first on the list, looks like we are clay barring. So Mr. Matt, what do we got going on?
We're using a clay to decontaminate and remove everything that's in the paint that could potentially ruin the paint, mar the paint while we're polishing the vehicle. So we keep it well lubricated with special mix that we got. And basically we're just focusing on the car with a piece of clay that helps remove all those contaminants that are on the vehicle.
So they have wrapped up the clay bar, went ahead and rinsed off the car. Now we're gonna pull it back in and it is time to start working on a little bit of polishing. I think tomorrow they're gonna do the windows. One step closer, the paint already under their lights, you can see how much more clear it is. Again, we got decade-old grime on most of this car, so it's nice to get everything evened out, get some trash out of the paint, just like little deposits of dirt over 10 years. But it's already looking a heck of a lot better, which is pretty cool to see. On to a new day. Wifey for Speed got the need for speed. So for day 2, they are now going to start working on polishing the paint and polishing the glass, and then of course get the ceramic coating going. So they got the big LEDs now, the car is super well lit, and we're gonna be able to see all the imperfections now that it's been clay barred, super clean, washed, taped, ready to rock. So hopefully some of this comes up off in camera, but
it's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
I mean, from this angle right here, if you focus on the light and slowly start moving it,
yeah,
let me pass through here.
You can definitely see some of those surface scratches throughout it.
Swirls and scratches.
Yeah, definitely hard to showcase on camera, but you guys can see those scratches there. Yeah, that's a perfect shot there. But we're talking 11, 12-year-old paint for most of the car, and then really just smoothing out the new paint to where everything should pretty much look perfect. It already, I would say, is in pretty good shape overall for the age. And then for the glass, they have a polishing compound that's going to really just get that nice and crystal clear. Hopefully these lights right here, you can see the imperfections all within it. And then over here, super smooth. So they've wrapped up polishing all the glass. Take a look, he finished the hood. So you can see the front bumper and all like the scratches, kind of the halo marks all around it. As I make it to the hood, watch how crystal clear that light looks now. Again, this is factory paint, over a decade old. Look at just that difference between the haziness and then the polished hood. So looking really, really good. This thing is gonna pop so well. And they even went as far as hand polishing the mirror. So that is gonna be super cool. Just the attention to detail in the little areas you wouldn't think of. That is nice to see. So with the car polished, it looks insanely good. As you saw with a lot of those shots, all the little defects are gone. Even the crazy 10-year-old water spots under the original wing, completely gone. The little bit of tire marks that were still there are all gone, and this paint looks phenomenal. And one of the craziest things, the body shop who did the paint on this did an amazing job. Probably one of the absolute best in the country, quite honestly. The texture now of the new paint looks just like original. So it looks fantastic, the overall look and everything. So Matt's gonna be working on coating the glass now with a nice, basically a ceramic coating for the glass. So now let's take a look at the ceramic coating. So what do we have for this car?
Yeah, so we're gonna be coating your Lamborghini Gallardo with Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra, which is Gtechniq's highest end offering currently. It's a 9-year coating and it's super slick. I love this coating. It's a phenomenal coating in terms of performance, hydrophobic properties, slickness. It's essentially a thicker version. This is a 10H coating in terms of hardness level. And the thicker the coating, the more protective barrier you're gonna have against contaminants, bugs, tar, sap, bird droppings, things like that. You wanna apply it minimally. You don't wanna do too much at a time because it'll dry really fast. And then it's easy for it just to dry and then not come off easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this amount.
Yeah, so you guys can see that haziness right now. That's where the coating is to kind of give you a good idea of how much surface area we're doing at one time.
Pretty much immediately is ready to be wiped off.
Wow, already, to be honest, that is like an ice skating rinse. It looks like glass versus not coated. That's,
this is a very impressive coating. It's intense. You want to really get into it and buff it quick, because if I just let it be, it'll have unevenness, and then you'll have to polish it off. But it is pretty heavy duty.
Wow, yeah, already, that's crazy. And you got the lights in here to make it really show off what you guys are doing. But those hexagons match the Lambo, by the way. We love the hexagons for the Lambos. But yeah, that is insane already. And I can just tell how you're moving that, how slick the paint already is.
And there it stops.
That's crazy. like that, they have wrapped up the coating. This thing looks like it just rolled off of a Lamborghini showroom. The way they could polish the original paint, making it look so perfect, and make the aftermarket paint blend perfectly to where everything is the same texture is honestly pretty impressive. And then the full ceramic coating really glossed up the paintwork another step further, and it literally looks brand new. Alright, so that is about it for today's video. Now, moment of truth, let's take a look at the Gallardo out in the sunlight, which, my goodness, once again, this thing is a brand new car. It looks gorgeous. I need to get my sunglasses out because it is just so bright. It's crazy how the white has just become like a sheet of glass. And of course, when it does get dirty, when I wash it and everything is going to be ultra hydrophobic, and every time I wash the car, it's going to look just like this no matter what I drive it through. The carbon is glistening too. Look at that. I mean, every little detail has been done. So that is so cool to see. Seriously, check out Shinka Detailing. I'll have them linked down below. John and Matt freaking killed it. Dude, awesome job. Yeah. And honestly, congrats on the newest location.
Thank you.
God, we've known each other for maybe 5-6 years, something like that.
Even longer, I think, 6-7 years at least. Yeah,
I filmed his old Evos, that old Camaro. Yeah. Matt and I used to be co-workers, actually.
It's crazy how it's just like the life goes round and round. But we're excited to serve you. Like, we love working on cars. We love people. You know, we'll always take care of you. We're very passionate in what we do. Yeah. And cannot wait to serve the Mooresville area. And if you have any questions, shoot us a message. Always here to take care of you. So
I'll have all their contact information down below, their Instagram, all that good stuff. They do crazy cars all the time, brand new cars, kind of everything that needs to look good, they can handle it. Gotcha. But check them out, link down below. One last look as I set off into the sunset with the Lambo. Shout out to Shinka Detailing, they seriously nailed this job. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for plenty more content. I'll see you all in the next video.